Okay, personal management, personal admin, payroll data, basic pay, define employee subgroup grouping for collective agreement provision. Okay, now over here we have country grouping 10 and employee subgroup for, let's see what we have. Um, the grading that we have with this. Hourly wage earners, periodic payments. Okay, two salaried and payments public service sector academy division employees approved for which the same personnel calculation will be defined for payroll accounting and evaluations and payroll. Okay, personnel calculation rule, and we have salaried class and hourly wage earners. Okay, hourly is one, three is salaried. Okay, three is salary, hourly is one, and this is F1 again. And let's see. Industrial worker hourly and industrial worker monthly. Salaried employees three and one. Three and one. Three and one. If I'm not wrong, let me share it again. Okay. One is hourly and salaried is three. Salary and hourly. Okay, let's save it. Section 01. So this applies to payroll calculation and payroll calculation rules. Okay, let me just take a snapshot. Okay. Okay, check pay scale type. Come on. Personal management, admin, payroll data. Basic pay. Okay. Country grouping. Okay. One hourly, three salaried. One hourly and three salaried. Okay. Three and one. One hourly and three salaried. Okay. Okay. 3131. Data is saved. Okay. Next is pay scale type. Okay. Salary exempt, non-exempt, hourly, retail, high noon pay scale. Okay. Check pay scale area, high noon pay scale area. Okay. Let me pay scale type. Check pay scale area. Come on. Internet is slow today. Some reason. No, it's not working properly. Not responding.